Well, hello everybody. I hope you're having a good day. Today is I'm gonna clean out my refrigerator because we actually had house guests this weekend. So I've got a lot of food, just different things that I've cooked. So I want to share with y'all what I do with some of my leftovers. And don't look at my refrigerator, it may be a mess, but it is what it is. So I've got, oh my gosh, I got turkey, I got broccoli, I got shrimp, I got vegetable soup, I got rice, I've got pork roast, and I've got some black beans. So this is what I'm gonna do with these leftovers. I don't know about y'all, but I love a rice bowl. And it lends itself more Mexican to me.
Japanese too. I mean, like it's
I don't know, but
all kinds of
I can take a rice bowl and I can jack it up with, you know what I mean, Vern? When I cook rice, I always cook extra because I like it. I can pull it out real quick and add it to some chicken or pork chop or whatever. And I wanted to have something that I could just really pull out quickly this past weekend. So I bought a Boston butt and I put it in the pressure cooker because I was short on time. These work real good to put in a crock pot, in the morning before you start work.
Do you just salt and pepper? What do you do?
I just salt and pepper, a couple of bay leaves, garlic.
Some water?
Yeah, some water. So having leftover pork roast is so good. You can add some barbecue sauce to it and have a wonderful barbecue sandwich. You can warm it up and have it over grits, a nice buttery hot bowl. What'd you say, Teresa?
We made it with Jamie, and he made nachos.
Nachos,
over
yes.
Those pork rinds.
Yes, it would be delicious. So I love it when I have leftover pork roast. So I'm just gonna put this in the pot and I'm gonna heat it up on top of the stove. And my company just enjoyed the heck out of it. Okay, so I'm gonna get that going, and I think I'm gonna add just a wee bit of liquid to it. We're just gonna get that nice and hot. Something else that Michael and I love that's a good way to use up leftover pork roast. We love hot open face pork roast sandwiches. And we also love hot with my leftover pot roast. We love an open face hot beef roast sandwich too. All right, so I'm gonna heat up our black beans now. And I really, we ate a lot of these this weekend, but I've still got a good bit left. We used to, when we used to do our show for that network, the gang would come in and get ready to work, and they would go in the kitchen and scramble them some eggs and open a can of black beans, because you can buy them already seasoned and they are good. A lot less trouble than soaking and cooking them for hours. So this is one of their staples for breakfast, and it really is very good. All right, come on, don't. You're aggravating me. All right, so we're gonna heat those. And I think I think I'm gonna make these in a taller bowl, not a shallow one. Oh, now look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so good. So it is getting there, y'all. Now, if I wanted to have a barbecue sandwich, I would just drain the juice off of this and toss it with probably my homemade barbecue sauce. I'm not much, I'm already prepared, so. Okay, so we'll dip with those. So y'all ready? Y'all ready for me to start putting them together?
Yes.
Okay, so our rice goes first. And personally, I love a lot of rice. Okay, let's find a spoon, Paula. And the next thing to go on is a layer of beans. And I forgot to get the lettuce out. And then next,
well, that's not my pork, is it?
no,
Had some of that in
I gave that to your daughter. Okay, now, I forgot to shred some lettuce. All right, so now I'm gonna put a little bit of my sharp cheddar. I'm gonna put a little bit of tomatoes. Would you hand me the lettuce, please, Teresa? Would you like avocados, Mikey?
it. No, I'm on a diet.
Okay. Well, you
Is this
just
the
get.
lettuce you want, Paula? Butter lettuce?
No.
I'm sorry.
That's all
There's
right.
all kinds in there.
I know it's something I can shred real quick like. Doesn't take much lettuce, just enough to. But this is my personal preference. And then I just kind of put it around in a circle. And anything else you can think of, Michael?
No, did you heat it?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I mean, the sharp cheddar, is it melted
No, it'll melt from the heat.
from the meat?
Mm-hmm. Now Michael likes a lot of pepper. Do you want jalapenos on yours?
No, that doesn't matter.
Oh, I'll take that as a no. But he likes it really dark. I can't put too much on for him. All right, now you can either crush these on top, but since I'm lazy, could
That's
you
a good little
stand up
bit.
and reach it?
That's a good
Yes.
little bit. You don't want to share that with somebody?
Well, I can share with you.
I ate on the ship.
Oh, you did?
It was breakfast. I want to bring you one of the rolls. It was a big old giant. Looked like a croissant, but it was an Italian ship. So,
Was it delicious?
oh my goodness.
Oh, and you didn't bring me one.
Well, I didn't think it'd be good by the time I got it here.
Well, you can always heat up bread. All right, Teresa, I'm doing yours next.
Now go ahead and do yours, and then you can taste
No.
it so that the viewing audience can see you and Michael.
Okay. You convinced me.
I didn't think it would take much.
Okay. Black beans. Pork. Yeah, you need a spoon instead of a fork. A little sharp cheese. Oh my goodness. A few tomatoes. A little lettuce. That makes me feel like I'm eating healthy. Does that make sense? All right, Teresa, come on over here and make yours the way you want it. All of our kids just adore that cheese dip. Okay. That is it.
What you think, Michael?
It's that simple, y'all.
Delicious.
It is delicious. Oh, I forgot my avocados.
That is so good.
I do love the avocados. A great, great way to use up leftovers. And people will think you've gone to a lot of trouble. Look at Pumpkin laying in the sun. See the sun in over there, Michael. She's just enjoying the sun. Where are you, Ed? Oh, there he is. Now, you could do this, y'all. I've got some leftover shrimp in there. A shrimp bowl would be delicious. A chicken bowl, turkey bowl. You could do, if you had tacos and you had leftover meat, you could use that. I think my favorite might be the pork, but, well, it's out of this world, y'all.
Delicious.
So y'all do try it. Because listen, we didn't get this way by looking at the pictures.
That's right.
We actually taste the food.
This is just not genetic, so I've got to work on this.
So bon appetit. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.